Hey, hi everyone, welcome back. So, as part of the today's session, let us see about the ternary operator. So, ideally, this is also known as a conditional operator, which consists of three critical parts in it. The first one is a condition. Based on the condition outcome, if the condition outcome is a true, the expression 1 will be executed. If the condition outcome is a false, the expression 2 will be executed. If you look at the syntax, here is the condition. If this condition outcome is true, okay, if this condition outcome is true, then this expression will be executed. For suppose, if this condition outcome is a false, then the expression 2 will be executed. That's it. As simple as it is. So let us go back and let us see a practical example for this particular one. So here I'm creating an example. Operator 4 dot, okay, I think you have a 4 existing one. Operator 5 dot ts. I just created this one. And here what I am doing right now is let age number is equal to 25. Consider that I'm defining an age as a 25. So here let is adult. So my requirement here is basically, okay, my requirement here is basically, I just want to check whether he is an adult or not. So the adult itself means it will return true or false. If it is a true means he is an adult. If it is a false means he is not an adult. So here boolean colon boolean, and what I am doing, if my age value is greater than or equal to 18, if my age value is greater than or equal to 18, of course, it is a true, which is an adult. Else, he is not an adult, which is a false. And here console.log, basically, I'm just trying to print this information. So when I run it, so as a 25, this is greater, the adult true got a printed. For suppose if I give this value as a 15, so the 15 means it's a smaller one, so it's not an adult, hence it is returning as a false. Or the another way how exactly that I can define here is let can watch movie. Okay, so what I'm trying to do here is I'm just defining it whether he can watch the movie or not. If the age is greater than or equal to 18, then yes, you can watch the movie. Okay, you can watch the movie. If it is not the case, okay, if it is, where is the colon? So here is the colon space. No, you can't watch the movie. Okay, so you can't watch the movie. So here I'm using a console.log whether I was just checking this information or not. When I try to print this information, right? If you look at it, so your age is 15, you can't watch this particular movie. That's it. If your age is 25, and when I run it, see here, yes, you can watch the movie. That's it, as simple as it is. So this is the way how exactly, okay, this is the way how exactly we can use this particular ternary operator. And the last one is a type of operator. Basically, this type of operator determines what type of variabilities, okay, what type of a variabilities, okay. So here let me comment it out this particular line. So here we have already defined a let an age, right? So here let status, okay, is equal to, I'm not defining anything, let the status value is equal to, I'm gonna use the type of age. Okay, whatever the age is there, I'm gonna define this type of a age. Basically, I can go with a type of a age like this. Okay, I can go with this type of a age. So here, what I'm gonna do right now, so here we have seen that console.log. So here console.log the status value. So let me try to run it and check it out here. See here, the type of a age is a number, the same, it got a printed down. For suppose here, let first name value, okay, of a string is equal to John. So here the type of the first name value. So when I run it, it will be printing the string to that. So the ultimate objective of this type of is it's gonna check it out what exactly the data type of this particular variable is it's being printing down. So these are the various data types that we have. Okay, these are the six different data types that we have studied so far. In the next session, we will be seeing with the further concepts, guys. Okay, thank you very much. See you again. Bye bye.